Deep in the dark of your backpack, sandwiched between old school papers, there is a library card. But not just any library card, a youth access card for students of Beaverton School District. And when used correctly, this card becomes YAC-Man. Let's watch.
Mustache Duck, Pirate, I'm so bored. I wish I could get online homework help too. Arr, people.
But wait, who goes there? YAC-Man. It's YAC-Man. Hello, Pirate, Hippo, Mustache Duck. What seems to be the trouble? YAC-Man, we be so bored. Is there nothing you can do? Arr. Oh no, friends. This sounds like a job for YAC-Man. Don't worry, friends. With me by your side, you'll be able to check out e-books, audiobooks, and regular books, as well as get online resources like homework help, and all this with no overdue fees.
But YAC-Man, I've never used my YAC card before, and I don't think I remember my password.
Oh no! Never fear, Hippo. Your YAC card barcode is BSD and your student number. And if you don't remember your password, remember, the library building is closed, but the librarians are always there to help. Why don't you give them a call? Now, friends, I'm off to a computer to get you set up. And away! Thank you, YAC-Man. YAC-Man.
Calling the library, 503-644-2197. It's ringing. Hello, this is Hippo Mudbottom, and I was just calling because I've never used my YAC card before, and I don't remember my password. So if you could give me a call back, my number is 555-123-456. Thank you. I hope they call me back. Oh, hello? Yes, this is Hippo Mudbottom. You can help me. That's great. I love the library.
It is I, YAC-Man, getting into a YAC card account for the first time. Since I'm at my computer, I'm going to go to wccls.bibliocommons.com and go into Login Register. There I'm going to put my BSD and student ID number and my password to log in. Confirm that my personal information is correct. And, well, if it isn't, then we have that option to correct it. We're going to continue. And I'm going to have for my username, pick a color, burgundy, definitely burgundy, and an animal, badger, burgundy badger. I love the sound of that. Now, terms and conditions, I'm going to accept, and then I will just click to complete my account setup. Now I can enjoy all the services the library has to offer. You also have the option of creating your account on SoraApp.com. Sora is connected to school libraries, and once you have your account, you can connect it to your YAC card so you can access both school library materials as well as Beaverton City Library materials. Beaverton School District also has a handy page where you can get answers to frequently asked questions and find a link to get more detailed information about setting up your Sora account in the Sora app. If you have a tablet or smartphone, you can always download for free the Sora app or Libby app to start accessing materials. They're free wherever you get your apps from. Well, friends, how is everyone enjoying their library books?
I love mine. I'm reading a novel that takes place in the rainforest, and Duck is reading a history of mustaches. Quack, quack. It's wonderful. Arr, this graphic novel would be a real treasure, it be. Arr.
That's great. And remember, kids, if you need YAC-Man's help to get books or online resources, I'm only a phone call or email away.